Hi guys, this is Raj and you are watching Pari Education channel. Today I will discuss on the sessions of coronavirus. What is coronavirus and what is the pandemic effect of the coronavirus? In these days, coronavirus has been explored in all over the world, and maximum of the cities has been get infected due to the coronavirus like USA, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, and as well as India is also increasing in a large number of the positive cases, and most of the cases has been death due to the affected by the coronavirus. And I will tell you what is the COVID-19. I have seen many times, but most of the people don't know what is the COVID-19. COVID means होता है कोरोना वायरस, ID means identity, and 19 means होता है in the years 2019 it has been discovered in one city of China. The coronavirus which has been originated, scientists and scholars are believe that coronavirus are originated in the city of Wuhan in China in November 2019. After that, it has to diffuse in all over the world through by the contaminated to each others. This is the main source of the human, and nowadays the human contaminated to the animals. Animals also get infected due to the coronavirus. And major things is that how to preventions of the coronavirus. In the medical term, prevention is better than cure. You know already. So that I want to tell you some steps so we can improve to the ourselves, and we can avoid to the coronavirus, and we can save to the coronavirus. And so that I want to tell you about the basic things which we have need to preventions. But at the times we have no need to be met at any persons. At the times if you are met to them, you can say only namaste, and you can make your hand like a namaskar, and after that you have no need to shake hand. If you are working at any place or going to the outside for purchasing something, you have need to wear mask and gloves, and whatever you have to use it. If some of the people I saw that they have using their cloth mask because they have no sufficient money for purchasing and these things, but doesn't matter is to be had. The reason is that how to prevent to the ourselves, and in the house we have need to clean our hand with soap and the liquid Dettol, and if we are going to the outside, so we have need to put a pocket sanitizers in between the way. We can spray on the palm and the back side of the palm and rub it more than 15-20 seconds. After that 1 or 2 minutes later, you don't touch any face, any hairs and nose and the cheeks. You have need to avoid to such things. And the major things is to be have you keep distance 1 meters or 3 feet from each persons. And the some importance is to be have that in these days this is a pandemic disease. It has been announced by the WHO, World Health Organizations. World Health Organizations has announced the coronavirus is a pandemic disease which diffuse all over the world, which is the member of the United Nations. Most of the countries is the members of the WHO, World Health Organizations, and it give many instructions to follow the audience to maintain or avoid to ourselves from the coronavirus. And second thing is that whenever you are going in the way, you have need to cover your face, otherwise the coronavirus it may be spread through by the sneezing, and when the another person is sneezing, you have need to be maximum distance from that person only, otherwise the virus has been spread in the air and you are inhaling, if you are not wearing any mask, so and then you have inhaled through by the respiratory organs, it may affected the place. Which persons affected by the coronavirus, they have feels nausea, cold, some of the fevers, and body temperatures is slowly has been increased. A large numbers of the persons has been said that. And one things I want to tell you that infrared thermometers. The infrared thermometer is that which detect the body temperatures of the bodies, and it may measure and show against the symptoms of the coronavirus. Okay, thank you gentlemen, that's enough for today.